Disclaimer, this is a work of fiction. Please don't be an idiot and play these stones in the air. Doing so will get you banned, or get in prison for 5 years for causing massive panic and confusion. Anyways, grab a slice of pizza and enjoy. A law enforcement warning has been issued for Gastonia until further notice. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. At approximately 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a female was roaming around the streets, taking boys from an age range of 13 to 16 years. People have also reported to hear a girl laughter coming within their house, and people that went to investigate the noise went missing within their home or outside of their home. The female description has been given according to witnesses. It is a white female, approximately around 15 years old, has a mix of blonde and brown hair, and brown eyes. She was wearing a brown tank top, with white pants and white shoes, and people have also reported to hear girls singing when they've been spotted or they are near. If you hear any girl singing, or girl laughter coming within your house, run out of your house, and call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for further information regarding this situation. This message will repeat in approximately 3 hours.
The following message has been translated at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. The 15-year-old female's description has been given according to witnesses who've seen the female before. Her birth year is approximately around 2011, and her name is Sunny from the 2020 channel called Avocado Plays. If you see her, call the Gastonia Police Department at 704-866-6702. She has the ability to kiss people whoever gets caught being seen in sight. She can also appear in dark areas which will be mentioned in the next few broadcasts. Please stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation.
A 911 telephone outage emergency has been issued for Gastonia until the next 3 hours. The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department. A 911 telephone outage emergency has been issued for Gastonia over the next 3 hours. Our 16-year-old hero Cameron was kidnapped by Sunny, but he managed to escape her house. It has also been confirmed that she can break in by jumping into any window. If you hear any windows shatter, then please it is advised that you do not investigate the noise and immediately evacuate within your home. Bring some necessities such as food, water, and medical supply, alongside a power battery, hand crank or a NOAA weather radio to listen for further information regarding the Gastonia area. If you choose not to evacuate, then immediately run out of your house and call the Gastonia Police Department at 704-866-6702. This message will approximately repeat in about 24 hours.
The National Weather Service in North Carolina has issued a tornado warning for Gastonia, North Carolina, until tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. At 12:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated Sunny's love capable of producing a tornado. The storm was rapidly spinning at approximately 130 miles per hour. When her love is mixed into the tornado, it can make him pinkish love-colored like tornado. You're in a path of a life-lovely threatening situation. Remember, a tornado warning has been issued for Gastonia until approximately tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. for the following areas: in North Carolina, Gastonia. The National Weather Service in North Carolina has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kings Mountain, effective until 9 a.m. At 6 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated love mixing into a cloud capable of producing pink severe thunderstorm. This is mainly because of Sunny love from the tornado approximately a day ago. A tornado watch has also been issued for Kings Mountain until 9 a.m. A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for all of Gastonia until further notice. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. It has also been confirmed that she can appear in dark areas within your house, which means it has also been confirmed that she can spawn organisms called love alternates. If you get pulled by these alternates, just know that you're being pulled towards Sunny's location. And she can also communicate through electronics such as phones, video game consoles, computer, and television sets. Do not go outside for approximately until the all clear has been given. All residents of Gastonia, Kings Mountain, Shelby, and Cherville, evacuate now as the big battle between Cameron, the Super Mario Bros, Olivia, Fox McCloud, the Young Bombers and many more, and Sunny is about to happen. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia, Kings Mountain, Shelby, and Cherville Police Department. Family members are grabbing their weapons and trying to stop her once and for all. This battle will last for a week. So far no damages have been caused in Gastonia and Kings Mountain, but it is advised that you stay in your shelter for a week until the all clear has been given. Stay tuned for further information within the next week. All clear. Repeating, all clear. All residents of Gastonia, Kings Mountain, Shelby and Cherville, you may exit your shelters now. Sunny has been defeated. It has now turned back to normal. The police department in London, England has confirmed that she's been infected with a plague that can make her spread love across any map. After eating her favorite meal that has been infected with a plague, so far no damages have been caused, and thought the entire state, she's getting her best friend family and her family to live in Gastonia for all eternity. Now you may interact with her family and her best friend's family. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for watching this video. On EAS Tools you can make your own EAS alerts by using select voice and text-to-speech announcement. You can also download the audio file and add them to your EAS scenario. Thanks for watching.